Welcome to Medical Mondays. I'm Matthew Bulow, aviation attorney over at Ramos Law. Each week, we're going to be breaking down FAA medical guidelines so pilots know exactly what to expect and how to protect their medical certificate. Are you taking testosterone? Any other hormone therapy? Whether it's for low T or any other reason, the FAA wants to know about it. Fortunately, there's a CACI for that, or at least for several common testosterone therapy regimens. Before we get into the CACI criteria, if you are using just topical testosterone, then all you have to do is report the use under box 17A, which asks about current medications, and your AME will be able to issue a medical after simply determining the condition is 1, under control, 2, the current medications are acceptable, and 3, you are not experiencing symptoms that would interfere with flight or safety-related duties. If you're using any other form of testosterone or hormone therapy, then you'll just need a bit more info before going to see your AME. Those will require you and your AME to complete a CACI worksheet. As we've discussed in other videos, CACI stands for Conditions AMEs Can Issue. So, if you check all the boxes on the relevant CACI worksheet and are otherwise qualified, your AME should be able to print out your medical certificate in their office right after you complete your physical exam. For low T, the CACI applies to airmen treating with one or more of the following, which means if you and your doctor determine it is appropriate, you can mix and match multiple treatments. If you're using any combination of oral or injectable testosterone, Topical, anastrozole, HCG, or Clomiphene citrate, but not N-clomiphene citrate, then you may be CACI eligible. You'll have to see your treating physician, collect a detailed clinical progress note about the condition and treatment regimen, and the FAA requires those notes to meet very specific criteria, so make sure you give your doctor these DCPN guidelines so they can provide the necessary information. They'll hopefully be able to document essentially the same 3 things that the AME is looking for with those topical testosterone ointments. The condition is stable on the current regimen, no changes are recommended, and you are not experiencing any significant side effects. You'll also need to get a complete blood count when you see your doctor, which must show a hematocrit of 54% or less. Your AME will also confirm that you aren't treating with phlebotomy, blood transfusions, and you haven't had any VTE. You'll also notice that for HCG and Clomiphene citrate, you'll need to adhere to a ground trial of 7 or 14 days to confirm that you're not experiencing side effects. But if you check all the CACI boxes and are otherwise qualified, then your AME will be able to issue that medical right there in the office. If you are treating with phlebotomy or any form of hormone therapy not covered by topical testosterone or CACI disposition tables, then you'll need to complete the low T hypogonadism status summary or get a progress note addressing very specific details from your treating urologist, endocrinologist, and endocrinologist is preferred, or other treating physician, as well as those complete blood count lab results. If you're not quite CACI eligible, your AME will likely defer your exam and application for further review by the FAA, but that doesn't mean you won't get that medical. The FAA will ultimately determine whether you're eligible for medical certification and may even consider special issuance with specific monitoring terms. If you have any questions about the CACI process or how to properly report use of testosterone or other hormone therapy to ensure a smooth application process, give us a call or comment down below if you have any other questions.